A petition over 33% reservation in the bar has been filed in the Supreme Court. Hearings happened in the past. It was in the Justice Surikant's bench. Now we are joined by the petition counsel for the petitioners, and will ask them what is their petition, what are their basic demands, and what they are hoping for forward. What's the way forward in this? Yeah,
Sir,
please.
if we look at the history of our
Your
bar,
name first, and then you say.
Advocate Akshita Mishra. Sir, if we look about the history of our bar council elections throughout the India, there is hardly any female bar president throughout the country. If we look further, we are young advocates pursuing our career in litigation. Apart from this, if there is opportunities, if there is elections conducted in our bar elections, we will also demand. It's our right. We should come forward and give our opinion in this. We also want to become a president, and it is generally very difficult for female advocates to practice. Though on the first instance they are coming out and practicing, it itself is an opportunity for them that they are practicing. But apart from this, they should come ahead and participate in election and other activities which are held in the court.
Your say. Please go ahead.
Advocate Simran, sir, as you can see, we being young lawyers, we need upliftment in our society. Like we basically need office bearer post in bar elections. Till date, there has not been any office bearer post. Like no seat for president till date, no seat for any other office bearer. We personally want office bearer seats so that we can also hold the society. We need some power, we need some post so that we can uplift the society. We can.
Please go ahead.
Manasvi Negi, if we can't change in legal fertility, so we can't change in our whole society. तो अगर हम स्टार्टिंग से देखें तो हमारी सबसे पहली फीमेल प्रेसिडेंट भी फीमेल थी, और हमारी फॉरेन मिनिस्टर शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ फीमेल. तो अगर वो देश चला सकती है तो हम लोग क्यों अपनी एक छोटा सा लीगल फर्टिनिटी को क्यों नहीं होल्ड कर सकते, हम ऑफिस बेयर पोस्ट को क्यों नहीं होल्ड कर सकते. तो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि हमारे ऑफिस
We only need office bearer post. We don't need any other lower post like lady executive member. We don't need that. उनकी कोई ऐसा कोई खास वर्क नहीं होता है. We need office bearer. हमें कोई पोस्ट
like
चाहिए.
if we see that even itself there is lot of competition between males for the post of office bearers. If they are running this elections in this contesting this election in this manner that they have competition between men's, then you can imagine that how much difficult it is for the women advocates to contest these elections and be at the post of office bearers.
Majority is